Okay, awesome. Alright, so let me get this recording actually on my screen here. Media and mic. Alright, great. My first live stream on TikTok tonight. I posted a little celebration video and wanted to thank you guys for giving me 1,000 followers. That's fucking great. So today I got to 1,000 followers, which was my first goal for the new year, and got it within a day just because I was talking about ChatGPT. It's such a hot topic right now. Everybody's going on about it. Everyone and their mother is using ChatGPT to, like, you know, do whatever for them, food plans, workout plans, business plans, anything you need help with. This is pretty much what I've been doing with it has been helping me actually build out a website. So on my most recent video, I showed how to get into using ChatGPT integrated with Zapier, and that helped me actually create prompts using OpenAI's ChatGPT, and that created like all of the copy for my website. So that's basically what I was trying to show people inside of the video. They kind of got a little bit confused. They thought I built an entire website using AI, but it wasn't. I'm basically talking about just the copywriting. That's what made me build my entire website in an hour. And I had been procrastinating on building a website for God knows how long, months. Actually, since like 2020, I wanted to build a Shopify store, and I finally did it a week and a half ago and I used ChatGPT to help me through the entire process. But now I am taking some submissions from my Google Docs forms, getting people to sign up, go into the forms. They're filling out basically like a little survey, and what they're doing is automatically creating prompts inside of ChatGPT from the form, and I'm able to take those prompts and put them into my Google Docs. I will go through the entire thing, and it's got everything from the about page to the contact page to like little notes about the business and whatnot, entirely from the user submissions. So I don't have to actually have a discovery call or long days of back and forth texts between a customer and a design request. Everything automatically generated for me, and the copywriting. I've always told people that sign up for my graphic design services that I don't do copy, actually, unfortunately. I just kind of work with the copy that you guys provide me. As long as it's good copy, good design can come from that. You know, that's all you really need is some astounding literature. So working with that has been extremely helpful in the last few weeks for me, and I just wanted to go through kind of how I was able to make it all happen. And if you guys had any questions or whatnot, I am making a whole new series about all this stuff. Everything from how the website build happened, actually coming up with new trends, and like print-on-demand designs. I have a print-on-demand community where we mastermind, strategize, help critique each other's designs, because you never really know, like, what design could you put on a tote bag, phone case. Anything could go extremely viral. So I've had ChatGPT help me come up with like really well written and like clickbaity product titles. I'll help it write entire product descriptions, and I'll tell it to be a little bit funny because I like my content to have a pretty decent sense of humor. So it's actually funny. It's like writing out these jokes about like Sasquatch and whatnot. really good stuff actually, but I'm able to rework it myself, because if you're just using straight copy and paste from ChatGPT, I don't actually like recommend anybody do that. You're probably gonna be just getting, you know, bulk load of plagiarized content from around the web. Not smart. There's apps to copy and paste the copy that you get from the AI generators and test whether it's been plagiarized or not. And more often than not, yeah, I put some stuff in there and it was over like 60% plagiarized. So, yeah, I have reworked a lot of the stuff that it has pumped out for me and added my own like Stardust flair to it. I recommend everybody do that too. We can't just like use AI content. We have to beware that also Google is kind of, in a way, they said they got a code red going on. They're really concerned about AI content kind of getting a little too, you know, all over the place. So this is what happens though, you know, like things, they blow up. It was like the NFTs last year. Everybody was minting NFTs on the blockchain. I did too. You know, everybody wanted a 10K minted collection of profile pictures or whatever, but you know, things like that happen. So anyway, I'm gonna probably start live streaming more, showing just my screen actually, but I just want to come on here and show my face and say thanks, and we can start making stuff together now more hand in hand this way. I feel it's just been a little impersonal not being able to live stream with my community, but I'll be able to do that more now. I'll be saving these videos because I'm actually recording, screen recording as well, so that I can actually share them with my community and whatnot and kind of go deeper and review things together. And yeah, I've worked with tons of brands already so far. I've been working online for 10 years now, actually, and everything's just always changing. I'm constantly learning new things. Every day I learn something new, and that's just the way it goes when you're working online, the internet, just like the way technology has been advancing. It's hard to, you know, I don't know, keep up with it all, but you have to try. If you're genuinely interested and you're super passionate, like you can go far with anything, and I'm here to help people kind of go dive deep down the rabbit hole of working online and making a living from generating content online, whether it's for yourself or other brands, or you're building your own websites, or you're having ChatGPT build a website. There's no like endless. There's not. There's like a million ways to make $1 million, right? Okay, so that's what I'm just trying to say. And there's a million different ways online to make money. So if something hasn't worked for you yet, then you just should try something else. You shouldn't really stop until you find that thing that is selling and works for you and you enjoy it and it lights you up and you could see yourself doing it even if you had all the money in the world. Like one thing that I would do is just art. Like for me, like making art is something I would do even if I did have all the money in the world. I'm not making a ton of money just from my art alone, but that's because that's just my art. I don't have all my eggs in one basket. I don't think anybody should. I think you should find a skill and then find a bunch of different ways to monetize it. So I use digital products. I'm putting out, programs. I have a course. I have templates. I have my print on demand community. I have a mastermind, and then I actually have like different branded niche based websites and e-commerce stores. That's kind of, it's like endless. You can, if one thing's work, you just like go with it and you don't give up. You just keep promoting, you keep creating every day endlessly. Anyway, I could go on about this stuff forever, but I'm probably gonna wrap it up now. And I'll probably post this on my YouTube channel or something like that. I don't know. I do need to start working on my YouTube channel. My next goal is to get 1,000 followers on my YouTube, because that's when you can get monetized on that account as well. I think I don't really know the barrier barrier, the entry, like to, I don't know how many followers or what those metrics are needed for that platform, but I'll figure it out. I just knew that if you get 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can start live streaming and you can get the Bink in layout, you know. So push the buttons. Thanks for hanging out. Hopefully in the next calls, I'll be able to take people on. I'll be able to go dive deep with you guys, you know, like look through your own websites. You can send me links. We can work on stuff together and like build audience together. That's just the best way to do it when you're working online, is just so you got to collaborate. Like I'm in multiple teams, masterminds. You got to do it all, and we can all do it together. You know, with the internet, there's no barriers. You know, we can all talk to each other. We can all create together. And I don't know. I think 2023 is going to be an amazing year. So stick around. All right, let me figure out how to end this. Maybe this button. Oh, I got it. All right, bye.